Welcome. If you want to disconnect fake AirPods from your Apple Watch, and first you have to grab your Apple Watch and then enter for the settings. And of course you have to go for the Bluetooth settings. You can find it right here. When you are here, you have to open charging case of your fake AirPods. So let's open. And after that, when the status changed to the connection, we have to tap on the information icon, then click to forget device. Next, you have to scroll down, click another time, and as you can see, status has changed and right now they are not connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!